Need to get audio from one end of the room to the other, or the sound from apps on your TV to your AVR, but it's miles away? Then this video is for you. That's what Extend Audio from HDA is built for. Extend delivers lossless digital audio over easy to install and super flexible Cat6 cable in this small box. Choose the model that fits your install. Extend Audio 300. Extend stereo or Dolby digital audio up to 300 meters or 984 feet. Simple audio in, audio out with long distance performance. Extend Audio 300 has ports for DC 5V stereo in and out, digital in and out, Cat ports. This model works with Cat 5 and 6. The next model is Extend Audio 100. Extend high-resolution eARC audio from your TV, up to 100 meters or 325 feet with CEC control, DC 12V, eARC in and out, digital in and out, and Cat ports. The Extend Audio 100 basically replicates a very long HDMI cable, giving you high-quality sound, and you can still use your TV remote to control AVR volume. But what if you need video and audio too? Then you need the Extend 4K40 with ARC at TPC. This version lets you send picture from devices like Sky, DirecTV, or Foxtel to your TV, while sending the sound back to your AVR receiver at the same time. So you get pixel-perfect images on screen and proper surround sound through your speaker system, even if your equipment is in a different location. This model has ports for RS-232, SPDIF for stereo, IR, HDMI, video, and DC 24V. All models include a 2-year warranty and power supply for UK, EU, US, and AU. Don't compromise on bad sound.